Hello everybody, I'm George, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can edit the information when you share a link from your website. Let's say, for example, that we own the businesscoachinglab.gr website, and when we share a link on our page, we need to edit the information on this from this URL. So when I post it, you see that this information comes here. And in this case, you see this green thing, but I click on it, but it's not possible for me to edit the URL, the information that comes from this URL. So there's a way to be able to do that, to change this information. And this is what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. Of course, there are some prerequisites. The first one is, of course, that you have to be an administrator of this page that you want to edit. And of course you need to have access on this domain to verify your ownership on this domain, so that there's no problem with information. So another thing that you're definitely gonna need is that you will need a business manager. Business manager is a place where you have all your business assets together. So you log in on business.facebook.com and you click on the business manager that you want to edit. So on the business manager, you go on the top right, you go to business settings, and then you go to brand safety, and then domains. On the domains, you click add, and you add the domain name that you want to associate with your business manager and verify you own it, so you can edit the information that comes from the links. So businesscoachinglab.gr, I add the domain, I click refresh. So now I have it here, you see it's red, so it's unverified. So what I need to do here is to choose one of the three methods that the Facebook gives me here. I'm gonna go with the first method, with a DNS verification. In this step, you might need the help from your developer. Actually, I take this one and I go to my DNS handler, which is, in this case, it's Cloudflare. So I go into Cloudflare and I click on my DNS settings and I add TXT record and I paste what Facebook wants and I save. Cloudflare works immediately, so I click verify and my domain now is verified. Boom! So now I do have my domain here verified. And now what I need to do is I need to connect a page with this domain, which now I said to Facebook that whatever links come from the businesscoachinglab.gr, and I'm going to post them in my page, which is George Arapogiannis' page, I will be able to edit the URLs. So now I'm going to my page, which is not published, by the way. So there's a chance that they don't let me edit the links, but let's try. Here's a preview, and you see now that when I click, I can change the information to whatever I want. Ta-da! There you go. And that's all you need to do. Let's wait for the upload. Ta-da! Thank you for watching. Click subscribe on my channel for more tutorials and more help. Ciao!